Hello everybody, and welcome to this unboxing video of the AstrHori, which means Rockstar in Chinese, 40mm f/5.6 Leica M mount manual focus lens. It also came with this little tiny focus calibration screwdriver. Packaging is fairly nice, a matte black box with minimal information on it. There we go. Come on. All right. And inside we have another box. Well, looked like a box, is actually a packet full of warranty information. And technical information about the lens. Focus calibration instructions. Very nice. Black flocking on the foam retainer. Here's the lens itself. This is a surprisingly small lens, I'm not going to lie. This is, I figured it would be tiny, but this is very tiny. So there's the aperture opening and closing. So Leica M mount, which means that this is a rangefinder mount camera lens. There we go. See the rangefinder mechanism in the back right there. And so as we do, here are some sample photos taken with this lens.